Hello everyone, this is Swaraj, and in this session we will look at some stocks which you can keep in your watch list. Okay, so let's get started. Now, before going any further, I would like to take a look at the benchmark Nifty 50. Okay, so here we can see that Nifty is near a resistance zone. Okay, and it has just takes some resistance and now it is falling. Okay, so nothing to panic because it is near a support zone also. Okay, so my thesis is it will come somewhere around 17,200 level and then it will go up because here is the quarterly moving average and here is the 1 month moving average. Okay, now next let's get to the stocks. Okay, Adani Green. Now before going further, I would like to pull up a indicator. Now this is a comparative relative strength indicator. Okay, basically this shows the relative strength against the benchmark, which means this is showing the outperformance of the benchmark. Okay, so we can clearly see here the red line is the stock and the black line is the benchmark. So it is outperforming the Nifty Adani Green. Okay, and if we look at the price action, price was in a consolidation stage. Okay, and it has broke out somewhere around here and now it is in an uptrend. Okay, if we draw an uptrend line, it would be something like this. Okay, now we can clearly see that the price is extended from its moving average, so the chances of retracing is very much obvious. So it will come somewhere around here. Okay, and then from here it will snap up. Okay, so you can place an order somewhere around 2600. Okay, and low of this candle can be your SL and target can be the new high. Okay, now next. Okay, so here is something different. Now what is that? It is in a rising consolidation state. Okay, you can also refer it as your trend channel. Okay, it has just broke out of the trend channel and now it is on a new ground. Okay, on a fresh new high ground, and we can see that here the momentum is declining. Okay, a little bit of retracement in the momentum, so it is nothing but a small pullback. Now how much it will go down? Okay, so it might get somewhere around here. Okay, and if I draw it properly I will get a better sniping entry point. Okay, so it will go somewhere around here, which is around 670 level. Okay, so you can place a small limit order at 670 and the low of this candle can be your SL and target can be the new high. Okay, next, Credit Access. Now this is a very good stock because it was in a consolidation. Okay, and it has just broken out of the consolidation, and if I'm not wrong, it has just made a new high. This was the COVID fall. Okay, and since COVID fall it is in a sideways consolidation state. See, this was in a sideways consolidation and now it is breaking out. It is now on a fresh ground. Okay, so you can place a order somewhere at 1000 level, okay, near the support area, and low of this can be your SL. Okay, next, Gale. Now this is also similar to BDL. Okay, here you can also see that it was in a rising state, I mean a rising consolidation, okay, or the rising, what you can say, uh, rising price trend, price channel, okay, and it has just broken out. So here what you can do is, we can see that price is closing in the middle. So when the price is closing in the middle, that means supply and demand are equal. Okay, so if you're on the long side, you can place an order at the high of this candle, okay, at somewhere around 3640, okay, and low can be your stop loss. Now, the logic of keeping your limit order at high is because you will not get trapped. Okay, like sometimes what happens, that price go up and then it got reverse. So it is just a fake out. And if it is a genuine breakout, it will simply take your order and it will go up. Okay, so the logic of buying at the high is simple. Next, injured soil. Now, this has already given a breakout. Okay, here was the consolidation, or maybe you can say that it is an uptrend channel. Okay, so it is here trying to absorb all the supply. I mean, it is here and it is holding itself in the resistance, and also you can see that the momentum is rising. Okay, even if it is doing nothing, the momentum is rising. So this is a bullish divergence. Okay, so what you can do is not to get trapped and simply place an order at the high of this zone. Okay, and place an order below the candles, I mean below the zone. Okay, suppose this is a small zone, this has made just a small zone. Okay, so high of this zone can be your entry point and low of this zone can be your stop loss. Okay, JK paper. Now JK paper has already made a high. Okay, it has just made a new high and it was in a consolidation stage. Okay, it is broken out and in an uptrend channel. So this is a perfect buy. Okay, you can buy at the current price and low of this and low of this, and you can give some buffer that it has to cross the trend line, then only your stop loss will trigger. Okay, so here is the JK paper. Okay, next, Poonawalla. Now this is interesting. This was a consolidation. Okay, breakout, momentum is also rising, but the price is closing in the middle. Okay, that implies that the sellers are there. Okay, in this volume the sellers are also there. So what you can do is place an order at the high. Okay, and below will be the stop loss. Now the next is RHIM. Okay, same story here, momentum is rising, price is also rising, it is on a fresh new ground. You can draw a trend line, it is near the trend line support. and you can buy at the current price, and since it is a high volume bar, you can place a pending order at the high, and low of this can be your stop loss and new high can be your target. Okay, next is Sharda Corp. This is also was in a consolidation. It is near the support zone. Okay, now how this is in a support zone? Here it was a resistance, and when the resistance was broken, it is now acting as a support. Okay, so it is near the support zone. You can place a you can buy at the current price, and low of this candle. Okay, this is the candle. Low of this candle can be your stop loss and new high can be your target, and momentum is also rising, so a positive sign. Thermax, this is also on a very fresh new grounds. Okay, it was in a consolidation. I mean, not this consolidation actually. If you draw a straight line like this, that this was the consolidation. Okay, and it is now broken out. So you can also buy this at the current price or maybe a little bit low at the support zone, and low of this can be your stop loss and high can be your target. New high can be your target, and the momentum is also very sharply rising. Okay, now last but not the least, Well Corp. This is also a very good one. Because it is in a rising consolidation. Okay, just broken out near the support zone or the support area, whatever you can call it. So you can also buy this at the current price. Low of this candle can be your SL and high can be your target. Finally, this is the watch list, and keep these stocks in your watch list and just look at them how they are behaving. Okay, I'm not forcing you to trade them, but you can just take a look at them and just observe how they are acting. I mean, how they are performing in the market. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.